Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today's our topic is the auxiliary word do. So here, when the exception of the word to be, verb in the modern English uses the auxiliary do to form questions and negative statements. So with the help of do, here we can type yes or no question type questions and we can make negative statements in the simple present form. So here the simple present form of the word to do is conjugated as follows. So here I do, you do, he does, she does, it does. So here for first person do is coming, second person also do. So when comes to third person does. So he, she, it, this all three follows does. So here when we comes to the say plural form we do, they do. So here auxiliaries are words which combines with the verbs to form the various tenses. With the help of we can form the various type of tenses. It should be noted that when the auxiliary is combined with another word, it is auxiliary which must agree with the subject. So here it should contain subject. Here you see do is there. Here subject is what? I. So here I is the subject. Here do is a verb. While the form of the words remains invariable. So here with the remains are not changed. Now, when the auxiliaries do is combined with another verb, the another verb always has the form of the base infinitives. So here, first one, question. So, in order to form a question in the simple past of any verb, other word will be the simple present of the auxiliary verb do. So, is added before the subject and the base infinity of the verb is replaced after the subject. So here examples. So here affirmative statements, questions. So here first we will know the first person singular and plural. So here I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So here you see here first person singular I work. So when it changed to question do I work question type. Okay. So here you work. So here you is used to the singular person. So here do you work. So here they work. Do they work. So here he, she, it. So here he, she, it comes to the third person singular. So here he works changes to does he work. So here she changes to does she works. So it works changes to does it works. So here only when the third person it has been changes to do to does. In spoken English, the following contraction and are often used. So here without construction, with construction. So here we do not, we pronounce as don't. So here does not, full form we are writing does not, doesn't. So here the way of pronunciation is different. So negative statements. So here in order to form a negative statement, the simple present of the auxiliary word do following by the words not is placed before the based. So here affirmative sentences. I work. So here I do not work. So here in the without construction form has been used. They work. They do not work. So he work. He does not work. So here when comes to the third person singular, he, she, it. So these three are indicates to the third person singular. So here does not has been used. So he does not work, she does not work, it does not work. So negative questions. To form a negative question, the simple present form of the auxiliary do is placed before the subject. and the verb is not allowed by the basic infinitive is placed after the subject. However, when contraction are used, the contracted form are not allowed immediately after the simple present of the auxiliary word do. So here are some examples. So here without construction, with construction. So here do I not work. So here it has been without construction. So here don't I work. So here is the construction. So here don't we do we not work? Don't we work? So does he not work? Doesn't he work? So does she not work? Doesn't she work? Does it not work? Doesn't it work? So here tag questions. So here the auxiliary do or does is used to for a tag question which follows a statement consisting the simple present of a word other than the verb to be. So in the following example, negative question tag was underlined. Contraction are usually used in the negative tag. For example, so here affirmative sentences, I work. So here it comes under a single person, I work. So when the affirmative sentences with tag questions, I work, don't I. So here construct form is used, don't I question tag. Okay. So you work, don't you question tag. They work, won't they. It work. So here when comes to it, she, he. So he, she, it. So here three comes under third person singular. So here whenever they are comes under third person singular. So here do changes to does. So it works, doesn't it. So here do has been changed to doesn't, does. So doesn't it. So here she worked, doesn't she. So here he worked, doesn't he. So here when comes to the third person singular, so here do changes to does. Thank you.